there's definitely challenges, but I was speaking to my birth son this morning, so I was telling him, how would you explain fostering to other people? And he said, even there's many highs and lows, but the lows are that gives you that chance to really grow in life. And I thought, for a 10-year-old to have learnt that already, and he wouldn't really have learnt that unless we'd kind of gone through fostering. And even through all the lows that we've had, maybe over the past year, he still says that fostering is just the best thing, and he's so glad that we've done it.
But there are challenges, aren't there? You've just got to keep on.
There are. And
hang on in there.
Our little one, at the moment, he's having a tough time at the moment. He's having life story work done with him because he's reached that age now where he's sort of understanding. And the hardest thing for me is just watching him go through it. You can see that he's scared, and you can see that he's angry about it and confused, and it's just really hard watching it. So even when he does have meltdowns, and he will throw things, and I can sort of see past that. So I know what he's been through, and you just sort of feel for them. And with our children who witness that, they do feel that empathy for him, because they can see how much he struggles. And but I think with his social worker is really on board with him. Like, our little boy loves his social worker, and whenever he comes over, like, they play together. But I can always pick up the phone to him, and I know he'll sort of have the right answers at the right time for me.